Well, today is my last day in Penang. I'm going to do a little work, but I'm going to try to get that done quick, like real quick, like before noon, and then I can go out and enjoy this place for one last day. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Hey, see you later, man. I'm taking off. Hey, thanks a lot, man. Hey, see you later, man. Bye. So that was that. My final work session at the Chapel Cafe. The fundamental thing that makes travel is that you leave places. I mean, you know, you have to leave places. If you don't, you're not traveling. And it's something that no matter how many years you do it for, no matter how many times you do it, you never really get good at it. You never really get used to it. And every time you spend around 2 months someplace and you set up a base of operations there, you kind of establish these emotional ties, you know, to the place that, you know, leaving them is, you know, kind of like leaving a person that you like. Well, this is my last lunch at Naughty Nerds. Hey, hello, how are ya? Hey, what's up? How you doing? You doing okay? Yeah, it's same thing as usual. Just the grilled chicken, Cajun chicken breast. And that's right.
Okay.
Like whenever I see someone in the streets or in the shop, you know, working with sheet metal, like welding it and cutting it, whatever, I always stop and talk to them, right? Because that's what my dad does, right? That's what I grew up seeing. That's reminds me of home a little. That's cool, man. You're cleaning this?
Yes, every day.
Every day?
Yes.
Every day?
For something I take any.
Uh-huh.
Every day I take.
Cool. Where does this garbage come from?
Rubbish is also, the drinks all put here, they come this.
Okay. And you're the guy that cleans it?
Every day.
Oh, cool, man. Excellent. Excellent
Every
work.
day is clean. Because you know clean, the water is no go.
Yeah, yeah.
The water is stop here.
Uh-huh.
You clean, the water is cut. Any work you must think and do. Don't crazy. Because all work is must hard work. Because you must pull, you can do any work you can do.
Yeah.
That's all.
Exactly, man.
Yeah.
Exactly. Oh, see you later, man.
Okay.
See you later. Ultimately, it is the people who make a place what it is. Well, what do you sell, man?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
All places have dispositions. All places make people feel certain ways. Places are made up of different organisms and concrete and steel and wood, but there is something about them that's just alive. And in Penang, well, I'll put it this way. Even the guys clean the gunk out of the gutters, smile, and say hello to you when you walk by. I spent my days here just walking through the streets, talking with people. It's simple, but it's what I like to do. People talk with you here. They smile and they joke. They answer your questions and show you a little about their lives. Oh, that's delicious. That's delicious, man. These are the kinds of places that I like to be in. Places like Penang.